avec la sista. La sista que l'on nomme Ajahfyah, a.k.a. Simple D, direct de Jamaïque. La sœur vient fraîchement d'atterrir dans le coin. Elle est là pour nous. Je te laisse apprécier, Massive. Toujours là.
You see what your pride's on. wanna give me fling, wanna give me all of my material things. I am talking about what this world has to offer. Girl, what you doing, can't you see? What they have done to Bevan and Marcus, Jesus and all of the prophets. But I'm not afraid. You're a power messing, say yes, I'm not afraid. You know, say I'm not afraid. Now, if them not come, let them come, cause I'm protected by the most I want. They don't mind when you fall behind and can't pay your bills on time. Prostitutes and last standing near them government line. No, they don't mind when you waste your time coming up with some stupid lines. Infidels and the youth have to start to lie and take it life. They don't mind when you locked up in jail, can't get no bail. Say nasty life, I can't see the youth still strive. They don't mind, but I'm not afraid. You're a power messing, say I'm not afraid. You know, yes I'm not afraid. No, if them all come, let them come, cause I'm protected by the most I want. Yes, I am. Let's drop an area. Everyone take up everyone unjust. But one person silent, think injustice. Life is too short to live it careless. Life is too short to live it reckless. So now can't you see what's happening in our community? That's why I'm guns and I've been no pity. That's why I'm guns and I've been no mercy. That's why I'm guns and I've been no pity. That's why I'm guns and I've been no mercy. Ain't no sweet. I you tell you coming out on the street. No place to sleep, no food to eat, no jobs to do, just some guns and my beat. I love to drive my thing and that's born in the street now. So now can't you see what's happening in our community? That's why I'm guns and I've been the pity. That's why I'm guns and I've been the mercy. That's why I'm guns and I've been the pity. That's why I'm guns and I've been the mercy. But if only vibes on them silent bomb, killing all the youth, big man and woman. And I know what I want and they can't understand now. So now can't you see what's up in our community? There's iron guns and I'll be the pity. There's iron guns and I'll be the mercy. There's iron guns and I'll be the pity. There's iron guns and I'll be the mercy. It's a racial discrimination and termination. A generation back to generation. Lord, what can we do to win the situation? Who is to blame the confrontation now? So now can't you see what's up in our community? There's iron guns and I'll be the pity. There's iron guns and I'll be the mercy. There's iron guns and I'll be the pity. There's iron guns and I'll be the mercy. But if you're the people think they go on the white street, all the people from it, they vote you a weep. All the men are walking romantic. Ain't that it dancer? I know you end up with a son and a daughter. Ain't that it dancer? I say you end up with a son and a daughter. I want to bring a disaster. Want to bring my life down to laughter. Boy, you better stop it. Come with me when we give you one a jacket. Now, boy, you better stop it. Remember about my mother. Ain't that it answer? Say we need to make a family together. Ain't that it answer? Say you need me alone, not another. Ain't that it answer? Say we need to make a family together. Ain't that it answer? Say you need me alone, not another. Boy, you better stop it. Gotta be there when they give you one jacket. Yo, boy, you better stop it. Gotta be there when they give you one jacket. Next track, on it. And this is
Yes, le prochain tune. Est-ce que tu peux montre-moi le micro un bras s'il te plaît. Yes, le prochain tune qui vient, la sœur, voilà, m'a dit ce morceau-là, on kick une combinaison comme ça sans prétention, on parle de sexe gentiment, on parle d'amour. Yes, I need see, Simple J en combinaison sans prétention. Listen.
I've got something to tell the love of my life. Said I wish I'll be his empress, and I wish I'll be his wife. We've been together and we living so nice. Will I take it some from me, baby, to make my choice? I am your empress, ain't you mocking me? Well, this is something, baby, I want you to understand. Me, I gonna mix up your jokes and you can me,